Is your car slow to start? Hear a clicking instead of the engine turning over? That's your battery warning you. Dim headlights, electrical issues, or a battery older than 3 years. Those are classic signs. So what ruins a battery faster? Short trips that don't charge it fully, extreme heat or cold, and letting your car sit unused for too long. If you're in Australia and need a new one, top brands to trust are Century, Supercharged, Exdelco, and Bosch for premium quality. Don't wait till you're stuck. Know the signs and replace it before it leaves you stranded.